Hello everyone. Welcome to know what is Keto Wave? Before you watch the video, make sure you subscribed my channel to know the new product reviews and update. Please watch this video till the end to grab the surprise in it. Obesity caused due to the unhealthy fat accumulated in the body results in various health disorders. Follow the review about the Keto Wave supplement that helps in losing weight naturally. What is Keto Wave? Keto Wave is the incredible weight loss supplement that can melt fat fast with its powerful formulation. It is developed on the concept of ketosis, which helps in burning more fat without involving any diet or exercises. The Keto Wave supplement has 100% natural BHB ketones that improves the potency of the supplement to work better for your health. It gives you desired weight loss and high energy that makes you active throughout the day and keeps you fit and slim. The supplement is made as simple to use capsule form that makes the consumption easy and effective. By using it on regular basis, you can start burning up to 5 pounds in the first week alone. How it works. Usually traditional dieting works to burn carbs for energy. But in case of ketogenic diet, the fat is used as the ideal source of energy and burnt. This state of burning fat instead of carbs for energy is known as ketosis. Therefore, the manufacturer of Keto Wave supplement came with the discovery of BHB, beta-hydroxybutyrate, which is the natural ketones that might support your body to enter the ketosis state faster. These ketones forces the body for ketosis process, improves the metabolism and burns more fat. Since it occurs in the brain by crossing the blood-brain barrier, it helps to improve the mental acuity. In short, the Keto Wave supplement provides you the desired weight loss results, high energy, improves focus and concentration. To know about the benefits and drawbacks of Keto Wave supplement, visit the video link mentioned in the description. Before you want to purchase this supplement, please visit the discount link below in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.